You don't think? Hello everybody, welcome to Commonwealth Picker. If you are not new to this program, if you're not new to this channel, then you know that we usually do garage sales and we do them on Wednesdays and on Sundays usually on this channel. At least in the summer, and the spring, and the fall. In the winter time, we go down to one video a week. But I had a viewer send me a video in the summertime, end of July, beginning of August. And they said, look what I found. And this viewer, actually, he's been around the show. He's been a friend of the program for a long time. And he's like, this is great. And what do you want me to do? And I'm like, just take a video of it. We'll put it on the show one day. That's exactly what he did. He opened up this safe, and I thought it was pretty cool. So what I decided to do is to take that and to put it with our typical garage sale videos. And I pulled some old footage that never made it into a video, the stuff that hit the cutting room floor, as it were, and we put them on this video. And I decided I was going to do this when I got to take a vacation finally. And so it's probably in the fall, unless I put it on some other time of the year. But this is a video that I thought might be good when I'm gone, enjoying a little bit of time with my family, and I hope you enjoy it. And I hope you enjoyed a few garage sales we went to after this video about the safe is going to air right here. So thank you to Deals and Dives. If you've been around the show a while, some of the very, very first videos, we went out garage selling with him down in North Carolina. He's a longtime friend of the program, and we went out and did that. So thank y'all for joining us, and we hope you enjoy. You don't be peeking. I'm looking to see. There you go. Just pry it open. No, the other way. Ryan, stand on it. I don't want to use the other end of the bar.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't get your chair down. Would you like your chair?
Okay.
That's a lot of ammo.
There is ammo.
I knew it.
It is ammo.
I said ammo.
That's what it sounded like.
Ooh, wait, there's other. All right, we're going to bring this in from the garage because it is too hot out there. Let's see what we got in here. See what we got in this safe.
All right, some 9mm FMJ, some buckshot.
9mm. Now, how much is that 9mm? What do you think worth?
115 grain full metal jacket's probably 20 cents around right now.
20 cents around? Okay,
yeah,
there's 50 on each one of those. Okay, wow.
Yeah, so
okay.
47 grain.
Yeah. We'll take it all out. We'll take it all out and stack it into different stacks. Then we'll kind of go over what's everything's worth. There was some documents, some passports, some photos. And what we're going to do is we took those out just for privacy's sake, and we're going to take them back over to the person.
What is it, 7mm boat tail soft points. These look like they're hunting.
7mm. Okay, that's interesting.
7mm.
That's kind of not a very popular
yeah, I don't know,
cartridge size, but okay.
Probably
caliber size.
50 to 75 cents a round. I don't know.
Really? Wow.
Yeah,
that's awesome.
Well, they're hunting ammo.
Like that. I'm guessing they said that the person was deceased about 11 years ago, and so I asked them. I said, "How much do you want for the safe?" And they were like, "I want $20 for the safe." And I shook it around, and I could feel there was something in there. It was heavy, but it's a safe, so it's supposed to be heavy. So I said, "Hey, I'll give you $10 for it. I don't know how I'm going to get in there." He goes, "Yeah, I talked about taking it to a safe breaker guy, locksmith, that's what they call him, and it was going to cost me an arm and a leg."
So yeah, more 7mm.
More 7mm.
Yep. 11 boxes
right.
of it.
11 boxes of it. All right, so what's that paper? That's not more
No, it's
personal stuff, is it?
Remove this paper from the safe unit.
All right, so we're going to stack this all together and kind of come up with an estimate on what we got. Okay, so we got the safe emptied. We got all the contents segregated out. So, all right, so show us what we got here again. So that's 7mm, and we got about 200 of those, and they're probably about 75 cents a round, so it's about $150. Then
All that is 9 mil. Okay, and there was what 650 rounds of 9 mil, and that's about 20 cents a piece. So that's about 130 bucks. And then we had 200 rounds of 9 mil hollow point, and those are probably worth 50 cents a piece. So that's about $100. We got 500 rounds of 22 long rifle. Yeah. That's probably worth 10 bucks, and then some assorted buckshot and stuff. So 150, 130, that's 280 plus 100, that's 380 plus 10 for the long rifle, that's 390. So chalk it up to about 400 bucks total if I did my math right. So that's a pretty good investment on 10 bucks, I'd say, don't you?
Yeah, not bad.
So, Commonwealth Picker, I hope you enjoyed this. And, you know, next time we get a safe, we will send you more video, all right? Now, this is Deals and Dies signing off, and thanks all.
This is the old historic district of Lynchburg. My guess is this one is heavily picked over, but I thought it would be fun.
Hey, how you doing?
Hi, I'm doing well. How about yourself?
Right.
Good. Bunch of old blocks. Hello.
I think it's a microphone.
Yeah.
Is that a GoPro?
It is a GoPro.
Wow. I got my granddaughter one for her birthday. It's not the GoPro, but it's a different kind. But
Yeah.
they said it's just as good or it's better. They got it
Uh-huh.
on Amazon, but she's like she skateboarded and hoverboarded on it and stuff.
Wife and I have these things.
We couldn't point you in the right direction.
These are pretty good. I've sold those before, but there's only one. All right.
What you got?
I got this for $1, but what about this little guy?
How about 2 for that?
How about $1 for that, and I'll do it. That a deal? All right. Okay, here's one.
Okay.
I'll find the other one for you. There it is. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
Top off jar and bottle screw top opener. It's the kind of thing that gets like $5 in the antique booth. I don't know why, but these old utensil type stuff, kitchen stuff, they sell fast for us, so we'll see. Buick for sale, 5,000 bucks. I should pick that up. Man, didn't I get rid of you? I thought you already hit over here.
Yeah, this is started.
Which one? Did you come up this way?
Right, this one up, but I
Oh, I got you. I got you. I got you.
one down on the right there.
I got you. Whole box. What do we got here? $1 each or make an offer. That's definitely make an offer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
Make a deal on all them baseballs.
$10 bucks.
All right, they're yours.
All right. Sounds like a plan. I coach baseball, so I usually find a use for them. I have a 20 if that's okay.
Maybe.
Maybe. Bun and thigh roller, Body by Jake. All right, see, I would just buy the bands, but they'll never sell me just the bands. And I don't really want to fuss with the rest of it right now. Thank you. Thank you. Now I just got to remember to not leave them here when I walk out, which is what I typically do.
You ever watch the show American Picker?
Yes, sir.
I always wondered, as they go through and they do all these wheeling and dealing and
Yeah.
walk away, and I always wonder, how do they remember how much they paid for everything they bought in there? And you go back and load it up. Yeah, I noticed. They gotta have somebody behind the camera hidden that's writing everything down.
Well, it is on camera, so you can go back and check it out anytime you want, right?
I guess.
Oh, well. I probably should grab that, but I got no room for it, and I don't want to break it down. Good morning. Look good in the booth, I suppose. I got no room for it, though. These used to sell pretty good. I don't know if they still do. do you think? Nothing special, but they're $1 and they're like new. I'll give you $1 on these shoes.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Appreciate it. Good shoe, man. How you doing? There you go.
Same idea. We gotta come with our own different apps so we go different places. You know?
There's only so many places where we're at, man. There's only so many spots.
Yeah, I gave up over in the middle.
Yeah, well, that one guy took the best thing of the bunch right there in front of us.
Yeah, I just missed it, but I mean, I was
those guitars are going for about $70 right now each.
That guy, he was there at 6 o'clock this morning, like I was.
Yeah, yeah. Well,
I've never seen him before.
You haven't? I've
never
seen him for
him
years. For years. Yeah, he's.
That's the first time I've ever seen him. So.
What's this? Is this thing new? Yeah.
Spiral thing, like you can spiral zucchini.
Right. Yeah, it looks neat. How much?
$2.
$2, huh? Let's see, everything here. It's got one empty spot in the back, but that doesn't necessarily. Well, we got 8. 8 discs, 9. There's 10. 7. 6, 5, 4. How much did you say?
$2.
I'll do $2 for sure. Used to teach, or?
She is a teacher.
Oh, okay. I
and a
see
librarian.
that. I'm a teacher.
Well, she just
There you
moved to
go.
a new school, so
Oh,
she's
okay.
got some extra things. Okay, do you know Casey Wood?
I do.
Yeah.
I do.
Yep.
Nice gentleman. No zero. No zero.
Hey, I was gonna tell you, there is.
I sell them on Mercari. How you doing?
Good, how you doing?
Oh, good. You don't have any video games, do you?
You got any video games? I don't think he does.
No.
He's too old.
Too old, huh?
Yeah, old people don't play video games. Actually, even, well, he says that, but when they go north of 70, they don't know much about video games.
All right.
I'm still young.
Where are all the cards in this thing?
There's
It's empty.
You can have it.
I don't
Sure,
want
for
it.
free.
If the cards were in it, I'd take it. Look at this
Now,
guy here.
don't just pass this by now. You look like you're a man of the. I mean, I'm looking
just
in here,
pass this,
and I'm looking at
Bonhoeffer.
this.
That's
I'm
a
looking
good
at these
book right
collectors' cars. I mean, we're talking $80 and $90 cars.
Is
Still
there
in the
anything
box.
in that one?
Yeah, it's in there and it's all wrapped up. No, I'm serious. He's got a bunch of these on the table.
Okay. I'll go back and take a look.
I think somebody that knows what they're looking at.
Mm-hmm.
He's been collecting these for years.
All right. There we go. More of this stuff. That's a pretty big one. Nice lid. How much you got on the Corningware?
Hey, Scott. Scott, how much for this?
For what?
For the cooking ware here?
You can have it all for $5. Yeah, for $5.
I'll take it for $5 if you throw in that little adding machine.
All right. I thought I could sweeten the deal.
All right, I'll take it.
Here comes Debbie. Pretty much is
Okay.
my stuff here. You're a Cardinal guy?
No, I just like old hats.
Just like that. That's okay.
How much you want on it?
That hat there probably $5, which is a good deal. I think I paid like $35 for that hat.
Yeah.
This shirt here's got 3 legitimate Hall of Famers on it.
Mm-hmm.
Signed Darryl Green's on it.
You know what? My mom would love that. She's got that set.
There's 5. Thank
All
you.
right.
Funny.
Let's see what
What
we
did
got.
I sell?
You sold this.
Oh, okay, yeah. Well, that was for the whole thing.
That's for all of it.
Yeah.
I don't want all of it.
Okay.
I'll tell you what. Can I take this?
Yeah, just throw it all.
Okay. Can I leave those 2 pans?
You can.
All right.
Feel how heavy
Perfect.
that pan is, though. Seriously.
Yeah, that's a good
They don't
pan.
make them like that anymore.
No, they don't.
Anyway.
Thank you.
Yeah. Lindsay, you got any money? Well, then go shopping, girl. I'm not cutting you like everybody else, though. You're getting retail.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. That's worth $100, but I'll give them you both for $1. The whole bag, bat and all. That's a nice bag. $4, and it's a Nike bag.
You're making it hard on me.
I just don't want to pack it back up. Man, that is a fancy set right there. That's worth at least $100. But I'll give it to her for
Him.
$100.
Him.
Oh, him.
You know what? The hair's so good. I'm
sorry.
willing to
I apologize
sacrifice
for
the
that.
occasional her.
There's your $4.
All right,
Thank
you're
you.
good.
Appreciate it.
There you go.
What do you want?
All right. Done all the damage I can do.
I'll take $10 for it.
I'll give you 5.
Oh man,
It's a dinosaur. It's like a collector's item.
it
now,
is.
You know?
It was mine.
Was it really?
yeah.
See, that's why you're like fond memories.
Yeah.
Oh, that's funny.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to hold on to it.
Okay. All right, that's fine.
No, you don't need
I was
Make sure
kinda
it
rock
closes
bottom.
for
I was
you.
kind of rock bottom there. I was just, you know.
Sure. Yeah, I hear you. I hear you. You're up early. My daughter doesn't get up for another 2-3 hours.
She's going swimming.
Oh, well, she'd get up for that.
You going? Are you kayaking or not? You stay with her? You know what? I hadn't even finished opening the bag when people started showing up.
Yeah, I hear you. You just never know what you find, right?
Pull those bags out of here.
Yeah, somebody buy those when if they see them, you know.
Yeah, I feel kind of silly now. Look at all that stuff.
Docker
Oh,
shoes.
what do you want to buy? Here, you want some adult diapers? No. Every kid needs adult diapers.
All right, against my better judgment here, I'm gonna give you $10 for this thing because I'm a sucker for it.
Oh man.
I just think the old stuff looks awesome. And you kept it nice and good shape.
You're good, because when you left, I was going to put it away. So good for you.
Here's a 20.
I'm serious. I was going to put it away.
Yeah, it's neat.
My
It's
wife
just-
must have stuck that in there.
It'll never get used again, but it's a cool little deal.
Hey, you know what? They don't make those things anymore.
No,
You can have that.
I don't want it. That's just an old metal something. Now we got this one. There we go. All right, y'all have a great day.
Yep.